Today I'm fixing a broken bathtub and shower diverter handle. Right now, when I turn the old handle, nothing happens at all. After taking a closer look, it seems the plastic inside broke off, so it can't grip the stem anymore. I went ahead and picked up this new Ergo lever diverter handle. It's a universal replacement and should be a nice little upgrade from the stock plastic one. Tools and materials needed: replacement diverter handle kit, screwdriver, Phillips or flathead, hex wrench/Allen key, adjustable pliers, towel rag. Step 1. Remove the old handle. Most of these have a small face cap on the front. Just pop that off and you'll find a screw underneath. Remove the screw and pull the handle straight off. And here's the problem. As you can see, the plastic inside the old handle is broken, so it won't grab onto the flat sides of the stem anymore. Definitely time for a replacement. Step 2. Prep the new universal handle. Inside the kit, you'll find a few adapters and spacers. These let the handle fit different stems. You may need none, one, or even two spacers depending on how far your stem sticks out. I'll test fit mine with one spacer. Looks good. If needed, you can always adjust by adding or removing spacers. Step 3. Install the new handle base. Slide the adapter onto the stem so the flat sides line up. The kit comes with a small hex wrench, but you can use your own too. Tighten the set screws evenly from top and bottom until it's snug. Step 4. Attach the lever handle. Now line up the new lever, place it over the base, and use the provided screw with the washer to secure it. Tighten it down firmly. Finally, pop the little black cap over the screw to cover it up. Step 5. Test the handle. Turn the lever to make sure everything moves smoothly. And that's it. The broken plastic handle is replaced with solid, upgraded lever handle. A quick and simple fix that gives your bathtub and shower a cleaner, more durable look. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY plumbing and home repair projects. See you in the next video.